Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at editing a site in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the site belongs to. Navigate to the Sites menu option in the top bar. Find the site. You can use the search option in the top right corner if you have a great number of sites for this customer. Then click on the location icon next to the site name. Click Edit Site Details. Update the fields you needed to edit. For example, if their site code has changed or they operate by a different time zone. Press Save and Close and then click OK to close the window. For fire alarm and door settings, click Settings in the left-hand side menu. Here, you can override customer-level fire alarm integration settings, as well as door time settings for this site. Press Save and Close, and then click OK to close the window. You can also access event settings from this view to edit the priorities of all event types and enable or disable them for this site. Check out other menu options for further site-level actions. That's it. Your site is now updated. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.